Hello guys, it is a beautiful spring day. My kitchen's a mess. I just got back from picking up groceries. I'm gonna unpack these groceries. I'm definitely going to be doing a huge refrigerator overhaul and organizing it because it is just out of control and I need to get started on that. Got some romaine lettuce, garlic, iceberg lettuce. We've got lots of salads on the menu. I got some chicken breasts for, I think, a dish that I'm going to make tonight. A chicken, like sun-dried, I don't know what it is. A chicken basil pesto dish I'm gonna try. Got some feta cheese, gotta have my feta. Got some Parmesan cheese, some crescent rolls, some vanilla protein Greek yogurt, some butter, cream cheese, and heavy whipping cream. I'm not sure what that's for. I think a recipe I'm using needed that. Ooh, I'm about to have some chips and salsa for lunch because I got a new salsa the other day I want to try. I'm so hungry right now. My stomach is growling. What is this? Ooh, I got some salami. I think I'm going to put some in a salad and probably make a charcuterie board. Tomatoes, kiwi. I got some rotisserie chicken. I'm going to make a like a Greek feta tzatziki chicken salad with that. Ooh, I got this Mediterranean hummus. It looks really good. Oh my gosh. I got 2 bags of mini cucumbers. I love the mini cucumbers. They are so good. I mean, you can put them in water, salads. I think I might make a cucumber salad. I'm gonna put them in my tzatziki feta stuff. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. I got some spinach, a kale pecan cranberry salad that looks really good. Ooh, grapes. It's always a gamble for me having someone else pick out my grapes, and I don't usually get green ones, but for some reason I thought I'll get green ones. They're funny looking, but I'll give them a whirl. And then, oh my gosh, I got a big bag of broccoli. I'm gonna make beef and broccoli. Got some sugar snap peas. That will go good in the hummus. Some sesame seeds for my beef and broccoli. Some rice vinegar. Ooh, and a big bag of dried cranberries. Love, love, love these. This is like candy for me. If you want it, like my favorite candy is Sour Patch watermelon slices or the grape ones. So good. But they're just gummy and tart. So eating these is kind of like, probably not the best. They're probably sugary. Whoa, they're very sugary. But you know what? They're good in salads. And they're like candy. What? This felt very thin, but I got some pita bread for my Greek chicken salad. Red onion. Lots of tomatoes. Lots of lemons. Whoa! Dropping all my lemons. Got some shallots. Some limes. Got a sliced baguette. Pineapple. My favorite fruit. Got my husband some Milo's tea. Uh-oh, the dogs are fighting over a toy. These are so good. I put them in pretty much everything I eat. Eggs, rice, salads, everything. And these too. Love those. Got some parsley, more peppers, some little carrot chips, bananas, some spinach wraps for these little salad wraps I'm gonna do, some chickpeas, sesame seed oil. I probably have some, but I had to make sure. I don't know. Some coconut aminos, some orzo pasta, and I got traditional basil pesto and sun-dried tomato pesto. I also got these from Target pickup. I think they were buy one get one half off, and they are ColourPop blush sticks, and I got the color Cottage Life and Mini Me. So like one is a darker and one is like just a pink. So I've never tried these, but I figured I would try them out. It was like 12 bucks for both of them with the deal. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get all these groceries put away, and then I'm going to start organizing the fridge. I still have a few more things to order, but I just can't decide how I want it to be. So we'll just give it a shot right now and see how it goes. Okay, I just left to pick up a Target order. I had to get a broom. I got some sparkling water. Got some water for my ice maker. We were out of indoor and outdoor trash bags. I got some more fridge organizing things and some bread. So now I'm gonna go finish organizing the fridge. All right, you guys, this project is way overdue. It is time I do a refrigerator overhaul and try to get some organization in here. One of the first things I picked up were these acrylic juice cartons from TJ Maxx, and they're half a gallon, and I cannot find these this big anywhere, so I'm happy that I snagged these up because I love filling them with our orange juice and tea, and it's just so much neater in the fridge. As you can see here, this is my before of the fridge. Before I started, everything is shoved in. I reorganized some shelves, and I loved how everything turned out. So stick around till the end. There's my juice carton, so cute. I did order some new refrigerator bins from Target last minute. I was like, I need some things. Let me order this from Target. I will link it below. It was a nice little set. So I just started putting my fruits and vegetables in there so that I could keep them easily accessible, so that they're not tucked away in those bins where we are constantly forgetting about them. Every day when I open the fridge, I see everything that I have, and I absolutely love it. I go through so many more fruits and vegetables this way because I'm not just putting them aside. I did get this really great pineapple contraption. You just screw it in, it kind of pulls it out in perfect little rings. I got this on Amazon. I will also link this below. I love it so much. I thought it would be hard to do. It's not. It's super easy. It looks like it's kind of hard, but no, it's not. You just pull it right out and you have the perfectly cut pineapple. I believe it was under $10 on Amazon. I highly recommend it. So I'm just going to store my pineapple away. I had to take a few slices off and get started on them. And there's Brody. He is just a cutie pie. Now here comes the hard part. We have to take all of this stuff out and deep clean the inside of the fridge as fast as we can so that nothing spoils. Oh my gosh, such a challenge. I had to remove the glass from several of the shelves to deep clean down in the little nooks and crannies. I think something had spilled, and it just took a lot of effort to try and get those glass panels out. But as you can see, I have so many condiments up here on this top shelf, and they are just all hidden back there. You can't see what anything is, and it's just a nightmare to try and find everything. So what I'm going to do is get all of these shelves clean, and then I'm going to make the shelves a little different. So you can see I took the top panel off and I'm just changing it up because that was a nightmare. And all of my condiments are going to be in the side doors, and then I'm going to put a little Lazy Susan carousel thing in here for my salad dressing. So stay tuned how it all turns out. I love it. Now I'm going to start putting everything back in. This is the fun part when you get to put everything all nice and organized. Now, as you see, my husband, that's the one thing he has in this fridge that he loves is the tea. So I did end up getting some more of those acrylic jugs for the tea, but for the time being, I didn't have any. So the jugs are just going in there like that. But I just love how these fridge organizers fit perfectly in, and that way everything is right in front of our faces. We can see it all. All of our favorite condiments are right there in like the same order every single time, and it's been like 3 weeks since I've done this, and it's holding up perfectly. I do have a little space in there for things that are unexpected because you don't always have the same thing in your fridge. So you might have some leftovers, you might have something new you're trying. So I've got spaces for that, but for all of my staples, everything has a place, and I am just loving it. It's been so much easier to maintain. So here is the final look, and like I said, it has stayed like this for 3 weeks, so it worked out perfectly. I just love my jugs. I still have several more that aren't shown here, and I've got a little egg organizer. I'm still looking for a butter dish that I want to store my butter in. I did get some more organizers for down in this snack drawer that worked out well, but now next task is my freezer. I did have that organized, but I mean, a few months go by and you just got to do it all over again sometimes. So that's what I'll be tackling next, but I think the fridge turned out absolutely amazing. If you're wondering where all my drinks are, I do have a little drink fridge in the butler's pantry, which I'm going to kind of reorganize now and put all of our new drinks in. And you will notice in the back there is a whole wall of ice, and I have taken it out and defrosted it before, and it just comes right back. So I'm like, it just stays like this. So it either stays like that, or I probably should just get a new one, because I'm not going to keep defrosting this, like pulling it outside. That is quite the pain, but it never seems to get much bigger than that, but kind of as an eyesore. So right now I'm just going to restock this little mini fridge. I mean, I have to do this every few days because we're constantly going through drinks. I'm constantly making a Target pickup order for new drinks. Speaking of Target, I got all these little sparkling waters, and they are so reasonably priced, and they have no sugar in them and hardly any calories, maybe no calories. So definitely try them out, and some of them are caffeinated. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some organization inspiration, and if you want anything that you have seen in this video, I've got the links down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on a video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!